Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your #1 source for everything happening in the world of cryptocurrency. Today's video is packed with crucial updates and analysis focusing on Shiba Inu and the recent massive security breach that rocked the crypto world. If you're invested in Shiba Inu or even just watching the meme coin market closely, you will want to stay tuned. We're covering the $22 million hack of a top exchange, the theft of 9 billion Shiba Inu tokens, and how this could influence Shiba Inu's price moving forward. Plus, we'll dive deep into Shiba Inu's recent liquidity runs, price volatility, and whale activity. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to remind everyone to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. That way you won't miss any future updates. And don't forget to drop a comment below. What are your thoughts on Shiba Inu's future? Are you bullish, or do you think this hack spells trouble for the coin's price? We'd love to hear your opinion. Now let's get into it. In the past few days, Shiba Inu has been making headlines for both good and bad reasons. Let's start with the price action. Over the last 4 days, Shiba Inu has been trending upward, which has caught the attention of traders and investors alike. This upward momentum comes after some significant liquidity runs that cause volatility in the market. So what exactly are liquidity runs and why are they important for Shiba Inu? Liquidity runs happen when the price of an asset moves rapidly through key support or resistance levels, typically because of a significant surge in buying or selling pressure. These movements can be caused by market makers or large traders who are looking to capture liquidity that's been building up in specific zones. In the case of Shiba Inu, these liquidity runs took place between August 22nd to 26th and again from September 5th to 8th, leading to sharp fluctuations in price. While liquidity runs can seem intimidating, they actually create opportunities for traders. Increased volatility often leads to big price swings, breaking established market structures and opening up chances for investors to enter or exit the market at profitable points. For Shiba Inu, this volatility could mean major gains, but it could also mean the potential for rapid sell-offs, especially given the recent hack news, which we'll discuss next. One of the biggest stories affecting Shiba Inu right now is the hacking of a major cryptocurrency exchange, Indodax, which is based in Indonesia. This wasn't a small breach by any means. It involved the theft of around $22 million in digital assets, including 9 billion Shiba Inu tokens. This breach has rattled the 5 million users of Indodax and raised serious concerns about the exchange's security protocols. Indodax has since confirmed the hack and has taken immediate steps to address the issue. They've temporarily shut down both their website and app to perform necessary updates and security patches. However, the news hasn't fully impacted the market yet, meaning we could still see ripple effects in Shiba Inu's price as more details about the hack come to light. The real concern here is what happens next. When such a massive amount of tokens get stolen, there's always the possibility that the hackers will dump their holdings on the market. If 9 billion Shiba Inu tokens are suddenly sold off, we could see a sharp dip in the price. However, there's also a chance that the hackers will try to liquidate these assets gradually to avoid crashing the market. Either way, this is something investors need to be aware of and monitor closely. Given the scale of the theft, many investors are understandably concerned about how this could impact Shiba Inu's price in both the short and long term. As of now, the price has shown resilience, continuing its upward trend even after the news of the hack broke. This suggests that market confidence in Shiba Inu is still strong, at least for the time being. But the question remains, will this hack lead to a major sell-off? If the stolen tokens are liquidated, we could see increased selling pressure, which might push the price lower. On the other hand, if the hackers hold off or if they sell gradually, the impact on price could be less dramatic. Despite the hack, there are still reasons to be optimistic about Shiba Inu's future. For one, the overall crypto market has been gaining strength, with many analysts predicting that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 soon thanks to increasing institutional adoption and growing demand. This kind of market optimism often spills over into altcoins, including meme tokens like Shiba Inu. Additionally, whale activity in Shiba Inu has been on the rise. According to data from Interblock, the number of large transactions involving Shiba Inu has surged, with around 3.21 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth approximately $43.52 million being traded in just the past 24 hours. This spike in large transactions suggests that big players or whales are either buying or selling in bulk. Even more interesting is the fact that large holder inflows have spiked by 164%, indicating that whales are accumulating Shiba Inu. Typically, whales buy large amounts of an asset after a significant market correction, which could explain the current buying activity following the liquidity runs and the price recovery we've seen over the past few days. Now that we've covered the potential downside risks, let's take a look at the possible upside. Based on recent candlestick analysis, Shiba Inu has shown incredible strength over the past 4 days, with increasing buying pressure driving the price higher. Even after the liquidity runs caused some short-term volatility, Shiba Inu has bounced back and is now consolidating within a tighter range. If this momentum continues, analysts believe Shiba Inu could rally to around $0.000001,450, which would represent an 8% gain from its current price of $0.00001321. However, there is some significant resistance at the $0.00000136 level, which could slow down or even halt this upward move. That said, if whale activity continues to rise and volatility increases, there's a good chance that Shiba Inu could break through this resistance and continue its upward trajectory. On the flip side, if the price fails to stay above the key support level at $0.00001310, we could see a drop down to $0.00001270. This would invalidate the current bullish outlook and could lead to the formation of a bearish head and shoulders pattern, which might push the price even lower, potentially down to $0.000001. So what does all this mean for Shiba Inu investors? Right now, the coin is in a critical phase. The recent hack is undoubtedly a concern, especially if the stolen tokens are dumped on the market. However, the broader market strength and the rise in whale activity suggests that there's still plenty of bullish sentiment around Shiba Inu. For traders, the current volatility could present opportunities to profit from short-term price movements. For long-term holders, the key will be to watch how the market reacts to the hack news and whether Shiba Inu can maintain its upward momentum. As always, it's important to keep an eye on the key support and resistance levels mentioned earlier, as they will likely determine the direction of the price in the coming days. That's all for today's in-depth look at Shiba Inu and how the recent $22 million hack could impact its price. It's a volatile time for the crypto market, and Shiba Inu is right in the middle of it. Whether you're a trader or a long-term investor, this is one coin you'll want to watch closely in the coming days and weeks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. What do you think will happen to Shiba Inu's price in light of the hack? Are we in for a big drop, or will Shiba Inu break through resistance and keep climbing? The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and investing in them involves risk. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching Zachy Crypto Update, and we'll see you in the next video.